In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use your image or photo as wallpaper for your itel smartwatch, just like this. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So this is itel smartwatch fit 020, and let me say, for instance, you want to use your image or photo to make as a watch screensaver or wallpaper. Now, how do you go about it? It's very simple, okay? But first of all, you must have to connect or link the watch to the phone using an app. And for this watch model, the app to use to link the watch to the phone is iPulse. You can see iPulse. You can get the app on Play Store or App Stores. Now, before now, I had made several videos on my channel on how you can connect or link the watch to the phone. But for the sake of those that are coming for the first time on my channel, I will still repeat the process on how you can link or connect the watch to the phone. Now let's begin. Now, after installing the app iPulse, tap and open the app. If you open the app for the first time, you will get this. Welcome. Tap on it. You will get this. Tap on this agree. And on this page, swipe this way. Swipe this way. Tap on this try now. And on this page, you can see here personal info. Come here and choose your gender. I'll select male. For date of birth, I will skip for now. And for height and weight, you can go this way to select height and weight. How you want it. After that, tap on this confirmation. Then on this page here, tap on this got it here. Got it. From here, tap on this allow. And from here, you will come to the app home page. Now to begin, you can see this watch icon right here. Tap on it. You see here add. Tap on this add. You see here login. Tap on this login. Okay, now it brings you into this page. And on this page here, you will create an account for the first time. You will put your email address. You will enter this captcha, these very numbers here. Also, you will tap get code. They will send code to your email address. Go to your email address, get the code, put here and verify. So I'll come here and put my email address. If I enter my email address, then I'll come here and enter this captcha code exactly as written here. If I enter these numbers correctly, I'll come here and tap on this agree to their terms of policy. Then I'll come here and tap on this get code. You can see sent. So right now they have sent code to my email address here. I'll go there and get the code and come here and put it and verify. Now I'll go to my email address right now. So if I get a code from my email address, I'll come here and paste the code here. Then I'll tap on this login stroke register. Okay, you can see that right now I've been able to create an account with them for the first time. So right now you can see here add. I'll tap on this add again. You can see here allow iPulse to access this device's location. I'll tap on this allow only while using the app. I'll tap on this open. So you can see reminder, please turn on your Bluetooth. I'll tap on this open Bluetooth. Bluetooth on. And after that, automatically the app searches and finds my watch. Yes, my watch itel ISW020. You can see. So to connect the watch to the phone, I would come here and tap on this plus sign. If it says error, tap again and try again. Now this time you get a confirmation from your watch. Tap on this go to agree. And you can see that right now I have been able to link or bind my watch to my phone. And right now I can do several settings or control my watch from my phone. Like for this very screensaver here, I can tap here to change it. I can select this one, and this one. Okay, sorry, and this one. I can keep changing them. Okay, now right now, how do you actually use your image or photo to set a screensaver or wallpaper on your watch? It's very simple. So from here, Just come here and tap on this more to open this more functions. And from here you can see here image stroke video. Tap on it. And from here you can see here, tap right here to go to your phone files. You can see here, allow iPods to access photos and media on your device. Tap on this allow. Okay, if it loads, I can tap on this AI gallery. Okay, and from here I have different photos right here. So I will choose this, my first photo here. I will select it. It will bring here where you can crop, adjust how you want it. Then after dropping it, come here and tap on this good icon. Then from here, come here and tap on this set as current die. It's setting, it's loading. Even on the watch here, it's loading. As I said, you can control your watch from your phone once you connect the watch to your phone using the app iPulse for the itel smartwatch Fit 020. Okay, you can see after here right now I have used my watch. You can see that my face, my image is now set as my watch screensaver. Look, it looks so beautiful. You can see. So it's very simple, guys. I can come back. You can see. So I've customized my watch to use my image or photo as a screensaver or wallpaper. I can still change to other ones, change to these ones, or still come back to my image. You can see. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching and bye.